Good morning, students. Let's continue lesson 19, Great Invention. We have learnt about all other invention in the previous classes. Only two are left, about electric light bulb, okay, and space rockets. You must be very familiar with the invention of bulb who did many times. You must have heard Thomas Alva Edison, okay. And you can imagine how we have got the blessing of light. See, in olden days, people used to live only in dark caves and they used to light their houses with the fire. Then slowly laltain, mombatti, diya, so many things came. And you have now we have brightened up our world with different lights. No? We have in the night, in the darkness, you can feel like day by putting on a light. So the credit goes to the Thomas Alva Edison, an American, considered one of the greatest inventor of all times. In 1879, he invented electric light bulb. So Thomas Alva Edison invented electric light bulb in 1879 and he was an American. Edison's basic setup is for the light bulb involved a thread. So first time he made a thread. Okay, thread like a dhaga ki type, tar banai dhaga type. It was called as filament and vacuum sealed glass bulb. Okay, so a glass bulb was made filament and then there was light into it. And low current electricity passed over the filament and caused it to glow and give it life. So first when he used a filament or a thread like thing, and very low current was passed through this filament, and there was brightness and light into that vacuum sealed glass. So this was his creation that changed life of people, and we have today varieties of lights. Okay, so electric light bulb by, you have to remember, by Thomas Alva Edison in 1879. Okay, year is 1879. He was an American and he did not do this in one day. He did so many experiments and failed. If you will learn his stories of his childhood, he was so curious, inventive person. He used to keep on doing new things. He used to always ask why, ऐसा क्यों होता है. Okay, so credit of light in a life, we can say, is going to Thomas Alva Edison. Space rockets, today we can go to space, then we can launch many missiles and spaceships, so many things are there. So from where, who did this? So Robert Hutchins Goddard, an American professor, physicist and inventor, is credited with creating a building the world's first liquid fueled rocket. Liquid fueled means liquid से चलने वाला rocket बनाया था. Okay, liquid means petrol, diesel, whatever you want to say. So the first liquid filled rocket was invented by Robert Hutchins Goddard. He is also from America. He was a physicist. Okay, so he achieved first successful flight with a liquid propelled rocket. लिक्विड प्रोपेल्ड मीन्स जो लिक्विड की सहायता से चलता है, पुश करता है उसको आगे बढ़ने को. सो द लिक्विड प्रोपेल्ड मीन्स लिक्विड से चलने वाला रॉकेट बनाया उन्होंने मार्च 1926 में. गडार्ड्स गैसोलीन रॉकेट वॉज forerunner of a whole new era in the rocket flight. So Goddard made first this liquid filled, gasoline filled, and it was very something new coming up in the world to go into the space. The rockets and spaceships of today are the spaceships of future, have roots in the science and technology of the past. आज जो हम लोग रॉकेट्स भेजते हैं, स्पेसशिप भेजते हैं, वो सब पास्ट से ही इन्वेंट हुई हैं, उन्हीं में मॉडिफिकेशंस करके हुई हैं. ओके, सो द क्रेडिट ऑफ स्पेस रॉकेट्स विच वॉज फर्स्ट फ्यूल फिल्ड बाय who? Robert Hutchins Goddard. Okay, and today we have so much modification made, and we know that many times spaceships are sent, and there are rockets sent. Okay, and it is believed someday it will become a common, we travel in bus, train, aeroplane, one day it will become a common transport to travel to space also. So men sent spaceship to the moon, explored other planets in space and studied stars. So we have reached to moon, learned about stars, we have searched different planets. So all because of inventions of these things. Space exploration help us to see. If we go in space, we can see how our earth looks like, what is its true color, true shape, relation with other planets, where it exists in universe. So it is also believed and hoped that space travel, going to space, will become one day very common. Air travel, maybe one day we all can go, as you will fly, use aeroplanes. It is not impossible that some other livable heavenly bodies may be discovered. और ये भी मानते हैं कि जैसे अभी अर्थ पे ही जीवन है, मार्स पे भी जीवन ढूंढ रहे हैं, हो सकता है कि हमें और प्लैनेट्स मिल जाएं जिसमें जीवन संभव हो, एंड पीपल में गो एंड population may be shifted to the another planet. So this is all coming with the new inventions. So we have learned about few of the great inventions that have changed our life and made our life as blessings, or what we say is easy, but we have to use them carefully, not affecting others harm. Okay, so read this chapter and study yourself nicely, prepare yourself for exam. Have a good day.